Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check your phone model and OS. Make sure it's unlocked for Bell. Next, sign into your Bell account and locate the SIM or eSIM activation info, ICSID or QR code. While you have your ID ready, backup contacts and any carrier data. Once done, switch on Wi-Fi and keep the physical Bell SIM in place until the eSIM profile is installed. This prevents service gaps and lets you follow the activation flow immediately. You request the Bell eSIM by using the Bell app or contacting support. They'll provide a QR code or numeric activation code. Once you have it, open Settings, go to Cellular, and tap Add eSIM, scan the QR or type the code. When prompted, label the line and choose whether this will be your primary data or voice line. Make sure the new profile shows Bell as the carrier. If it doesn't, repeat the scan or re-enter the code carefully before removing the physical SIM. You finish by testing calls, SMS, and mobile data. Keep the physical SIM until everything works. Once the eSIM is active, remove the old SIM and reboot to finalize network registration. If something goes wrong, restart the phone and rescan the QR code. Verify the ICSID or activation code matches what Bell provided. If problems persist, call Bell support and give them your device IMEI, the error text, and the exact time you attempted activation. This helps technicians trace provisioning issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.